Hey y'all, welcome back to the Old Farts Garage. And today we're doing a tool review. So let's get to it. Okay, so like I said in the intro, we're going to go ahead and do a review on a sander that I picked up. And reason being, I figured, right tool for the right job. Plus it makes it easier on me being that, I'm not in the best of health. So what I did, all right, here it is. The Baxter straight line sander from your good old Harbor Freight store. So, and just a disclaimer, I have no affiliation with them. They don't sponsor me or nothing. Bought this with my own money. All right. It says professional straight line sander, level, smooth, all that good stuff. 1-inch stroke. 2,350 SPMs, slides per minute, I guess that is. And it's an 8.5 CFM. All right. So let's go ahead and open this up. All right. So again, the Baxter straight line sander. Okay. And right off the bat is your sander. Comes in a nice big plastic bag, so it's protected. Okay. That looks pretty. Look at that. It weighs a little bit, but oh well. You got your front handle. Okay. You got your little thing to pour your oil in there, or you can take this cap off. All right. What I'm going to do is I'm going to use one of these high flow things. Damn, I just cannot talk today. Anyway, you got your trigger handle up here. Okay. So, and the way you're going to put your sandpaper in, you get these little lift up locking mechanisms here. Okay. So you gotta pull up on it. Okay. And see, and it opens up this little set of teeth here to grip your sandpaper with. Spring loaded. Actually it's just more like a tension thing, but still. And you got one on both sides. One right here. There you go. Opens up your your teeth there to grip this paper with. So that's pretty cool. They got two ways you can oil it. Through here and through your hose coupling. The bottom of it, a lot of good foam. You can stick the stick-on type sandpaper, which I have, or just the regular paper. And let's see. This is actually 2.5 inches. All right. So that's not bad. And my sandpaper is 3 inches, but no biggie. We'll make it work. So all in all, it's, it's heavy, but I'm sure that once you get it going, the vibration and the power of it, it'll flow for you. I've never used one. I don't know, but I've seen it done. Oop, got my manual. There's your little manual. Show you how to take care of it and all your troubleshooting and all that. Okay. So anyways, I'm going to go ahead and put my air hose connector on there, put some sandpaper on it, and we'll go ahead and get it running and we'll see what it does. All right. So let me get myself together and I'll put you back on when I'm ready to start. All right. So let's continue on with our review. All right. So I went ahead and got my sandpaper on and did not put oil in it. Hold on. Gotta go put oil in it. Shit. All right, now that we got it together, got some oil in here. Hook it up, get the mask on, and get the sanding. If I can get my mask on. Okay, so there you have it. Wow, what an experience. I have never used one of these. It's quite the learning experience. And kind of like I predicted, like any other sander, once it gets going, all you got to do is just guide it and it'll go its own way. And I was using 120 grit because I don't have a thick layer of filler on this, and as you can see, here, let me get the camera off of here. Okay. All right. As you can see right here, hopefully. All right. I got a low spot here, low spot there, a couple of high spots. Okay. Got a low spot here, and right in here, I got to add some more. All right. Maybe tap, these feel like little nipples, like maybe I can tap them down. All right. Right here. This is just the edge. I got to trim that off. No biggie. Low spot here. Here we're already flush with the metal. Low spot here. The curve, I'll do that by hand, but you can see here it's already starting to come down to the metal. So pretty much that's, I got to add some filler here, there, tap this down. But all in all, the Baxter straight line air sander, I'm gonna have fun with it. I got plenty of body work to do, so it's going to come in handy. I know it's not going to do everything for me. Like I said, I still got to do these corners and stuff by hand, you know, but for all the big flat surfaces, it's going to work. Okay, so there you have it. The Baxter inline sander. Love it or leave it. It's all up to you. I like it. I'm going to continue to use it, and if it works for me, great. If it don't, hey, didn't hurt to try. All right, and again, that's the Baxter inline sander from Harbor Freight. So that's it for my review today. I'm going to go ahead and mix up some more filler, splat it on there, and get back to work. And hopefully maybe I'll get you another update tomorrow or later down in the week. But again, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this review. I hope it worked for you. I hope I did a good job on it and demonstrating what the Baxter inline sander can do. And, you know, thank you to all my subscribers and everybody who's watching. Like, subscribe, comment, you know, let me know what you think. Until then, y'all have a good day now. We'll see you next time. God bless. All right, so, excuse me. So today we're going to do a review on sander. And shit. Come on, Fernando.